Welcome to episode 26, Why Learning Itself is Being Rebuilt. So far, we have looked at how AI is changing work. Jobs are evolving, skills are shifting, entire industries are being redesigned. But there's a deeper question. If the world is changing this fast, what happens to learning? Because the way we learn today was designed for a very different system, a slower system where knowledge changed gradually, where skills remained relevant for longer periods of time, where you could learn once and apply it for years. That model is breaking down because today change is continuous. New tools, new systems, new ways of working, which means learning cannot be a one time event. It has to be ongoing, adaptive, integrated into how you work. And that's the shift from learning as a phase to learning as a system, something that evolves with you in real time. Because AI is not just changing what we do, it's changing how we acquire knowledge. Instead of static content, we now have dynamic systems that can adjust based on what you already know, what you need to learn, and how you learn best. And that makes learning more efficient, more targeted, more personalized. But it also changes the role of the learner because you're no longer just consuming information, you're interacting with a system, exploring, testing, iterating. Learning becomes active, continuous, embedded into your workflow. And this is already happening in classrooms, in companies, across learning platforms. So the question is no longer what should I learn? It is how do I build a system that keeps me learning? Because in a world that keeps changing, the advantage doesn't come from knowing more, it comes from adapting faster. And this is just the starting point. Because once learning becomes adaptive, the entire structure of education starts to change from fixed pathways to flexible systems, from standardized content to personalized experiences.